Here's a little later model hot rod. All the modern amenities of a sports car, but yet with the looks of that mid-50s Chevy. Here we have a 2005 Chevrolet SSR. Now, if you're familiar with these, 2005 was a big year, a lot of improvements made over the original release of these in 2002. First of all, underneath the hood was one of the big ones. Had the 6-liter LS2 installed in them, and that was available with the T56 6-speed manual transmission, and that's what this one has. Now, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. All the amenities on the interior we'll get into more, but yeah, heated seats, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, locks, all of that good stuff. Like I said, that comes with a late model sports car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, check out the interior. I got some pictures of the bed. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. This particular car is in red line. Was the official name of the red paint that they used on these trucks. Now, besides that 6-liter, there was a lot of things they did to help out the ride of this too. The chassis stiffness, with basically your shocks, spring tuning, engine mount strengthening, bushings. What else was on there? But that was the most significant thing that they did. These had a lot of shake, hop to them, a very harsh ride in the earlier models. So the 05s, like I said, a lot of improvements. That 6-liter LS2 puts out just about 400 horsepower and a little bit more than that in pound-feet of torque. It was 405. Of course, leather interior. Very nicely equipped, fun to drive vehicles when you got into the 05s or later. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. As you can see, it's riding on the chrome wheels. This particular truck came to us from the Southwest. Only other place that has been titled is Texas and New Mexico. So this has been a southern truck. Does not appear that's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. You take a look at the underside, look underneath the hood, you'll see what I'm talking about. Of course, the rear of this, you would have your cargo net back there. There is also a fabric bed mat that's in there, and then of course underneath that would be your painted to match strips, and you can check that out in the still pictures. That's all in there. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, these were a power retractable hardtop. And before I finish this video, we'll pause it. We'll put that top up. We're going to start it up here in just a little bit. Let's check out the engine bay and hear it run. But from what I've seen, it appears pretty much everything mechanically underneath the hood is stock, exhaust, and all of that. You'll be able to check that out in the still pictures. Now, Bose stereo system. Of course, here's power mirrors. Like I said, heated seats, power seats. See the controls right there. And as far as the condition of seats, take a look at that. You can see it's free of rips, tears, much of any wear at all. This particular vehicle has just a little over 23,500 miles. Check that out in a second too. Steering wheel controls, so you have a driver's information center that will show up on your screen, same place that the odometer will show up. You can volume and radio controls here, selecting stations and the volume. Power windows, there's your power top. Like I said, T56 6-speed manual transmission, CD changer, AM FM, of course the Bose. Take a look at the dash, in nice shape. There was actually a dash cover on this. I wanted to take it off so you could see it, but maybe being a Southwest truck, so they had a dash cover on it. I'm going to put that in the bed of it. So when you get this truck, there will be a dash cover in there. There's also owner's manual in the center console that will go with the truck. Let's go ahead and start this up. Oh, one other thing too, you had cup holders here, which if you can see, they are a smaller cup holder. And these do have the accessory ones down on the side, and those will hold a little bit larger cup. And let's go ahead and fire it up. Check out our exact miles here. There, if you can see. Ice possible, not sure. It's not that cold in the building. But that will inform you if you're driving this where it's anywhere cold outside. That can be reset, taken off of there, and there is your miles. 23,506 is the exact miles. Stereo does work. Like I said, AC blows cold. CD changer also works. So, and then no other sort of warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Gauges all work. You do have your cluster of gauges down here also. All right, slip around to the rear of this and hear it run. Nice little rumble coming out of that LS 2 engine. Again, 6 liter. But no crazy exhaust, nothing aftermarket or anything like that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this a second. Let's pop this hood. I want you to check out the engine bay. I'm gonna put that top up. You can see the truck with the top up also.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the engine bay. Very nice, neat, tidy, clean. Again, Southwest truck. This thing hasn't been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Just shy of 400 horsepower underneath there. A little over that in pound-feet of torque. And of course, all the goodies equipment-wise, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. And here it is with the top up. And that is a power retractable hardtop. Everything works fine in that also. So there you go. You're looking for a little more of a late model truck that still's got that old school cool look to it, but you got the amenities, reliability of a newer vehicle. Here you go, 2005 Chevrolet SSR. Nice looking pickup. A little over 23,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.